welcome to my cooking show! If you know me, you know my favorite food is mac and cheese. We're gonna need a pan and mac and cheese and a strainer and a spoon and some milk. First we're gonna put water in our pan to boil. Make sure to ask your parents for help. Boiling means the water's gonna get really hot. Once your water is boiling, pour the noodles in. Make sure to get your parents help for stirring the noodles very carefully. And boil the noodles for 7 minutes. Now it is time to strain the noodles. Now you have to add the milk. After the milk, we add the cheese. Now stir it all together. Stir it up until all the noodles are covered with cheese. This is delicious! Thank you for watching!